Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cupcake recipe in air fryer. First, gather your preferred cupcake mix and all necessary baking tools. Next, preheat your air fryer to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is crucial for even baking. Then, carefully place silicone or paper cupcake liners into your air fryer basket. This simple preparation ensures a smooth start to your delicious air-fried cupcakes, making the process straightforward and enjoyable for everyone. Now, let's get to mixing. Carefully follow the instructions on your cupcake mix package to combine all the ingredients properly. Once your batter is ready, gently fill each cupcake liner. It is important to fill them only about 2/3 full. This prevents the batter from overflowing as it rises during baking, ensuring perfectly shaped and delicious cupcakes every time. Take your time with this step for the best results. With your liners filled, it is time to air fry. Carefully place the filled cupcake liners into the preheated air fryer basket. Cook them for approximately 8 to 12 minutes. Baking times can vary slightly, so begin checking around the 8-minute mark. To test for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center of a cupcake. If it comes out clean, they are ready. This ensures your cupcakes are perfectly baked and moist. Once baked, let your delicious cupcakes cool completely inside the air fryer basket for a few minutes. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to finish cooling. This step is essential for achieving the perfect texture and ensuring your frosting does not melt. Finally, unleash your creativity. Decorate your cooled cupcakes with your favorite frosting, sprinkles, or any other delightful toppings you desire. Enjoy your homemade air-fried treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.